everyone, this is Jen again from WEITAI China, and welcome to our channel. Today we would like to recommend a special hydraulic rotary actuator for all of you. Here it is! It is from our WL10 series with 360-degree rotation. The torque is 600 Newton-meter and the mount weight is the rail flange. For the sales, we can offer three options. The first one is important, the second one is Chinese brand, and the third one is the special sales for the low temperature situation. As we know that the rotary actuator is widely used in a lot of industrials such as the construction, agriculture, truck and trailer, energy, marina, and municipal engineer, and so on. For over 30 years, WEITAI Hydraulic focused on the manufacture and supply of the rotary cylinder and dedicated to offering the cost-effective and simple solutions to move, support, and position rotating load to our customers from the different industrials. Besides the rotary actuator, you can also find the hydraulic cylinder, power pack, travel motor, and other hydraulic components in our website. You can also download our catalogs in our website. And if you would like to follow more hydraulic information or hydraulic components information, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.